Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase cloud computing skills with AWS easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current knowledge of cloud computing. Identify the key concepts and services offered by AWS. Create a free AWS account to gain hands-on experience. Explore the AWS Management Console to familiarize yourself with the interface. Take advantage of AWS free tier to practice using different services without incurring costs. Begin with foundational services such as EC2 for computing, S3 for storage, and RDS for databases. Follow online tutorials and courses specifically designed for AWS beginners. Utilize AWS official training resources and webinars for structured learning. Engage with the AWS community through forums, social media, and local meetups. Experiment with building simple projects to apply what you've learned. Document your progress and challenges to reinforce your understanding. Work on certifications like the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner to validate your skills. Practice regularly by setting personal projects or challenges. Stay updated with the latest AWS features and updates by following their blog and release notes. Consider joining study groups or networking with others who are also learning AWS. Apply your skills in real-world scenarios, either through internships or freelance projects. Reflect on your learning journey and identify areas for further improvement. Set new goals for advanced services such as Lambda, DynamoDB, or machine learning tools. Continuously seek feedback on your projects to identify strengths and areas for growth. Make learning AWS a recurring part of your routine to deepen your expertise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.